Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 63. We are on Unit 6. And then now we take a look at Lesson 2, Reading Comprehension. Activity 1, what do you remember? Number the pictures in order to show how jeans are made. Then read the text on pupils' book, pages 70 to 71 and check. So this is the infographics, and you may refer to page 71. So there are around 11 pictures here. So before I fill up the numbers, so I want you to refresh again the content here. So basically, in order to make a jeans, you need to grow cotton. So this is the first picture. And then you will need to water the cotton, and then harvest cotton, take to factory. So we follow the arrow here, and then we make yarn, then add color, and then make this denim, then make jeans, and then we have to stone wash jeans, and then transport jeans, and then finally send to shops. So this is a special machine here in order to stone wash jeans here. So next we'll fill up the numbers. So given answer number 1, so we have this grow cotton, and then next we need to find water cotton. So A, so this is number 2, and then number 3, harvest cotton. So harvest is somewhere around here. So this is number 3, and then number 4, take to factory. So we need vehicle. So number 4 is B. And then we make yarn. So yarn. So for this K. So this is number 5. And then we need to add color using dye. So this is number 6. And number 7, make denim. So number 7 is here. And then number 8, make jeans. And number 9, stone wash jeans. So we need special machine here. So this is number 9. And then number 10, so you should look for cargo ship. So to transport jeans. So this is it. And then finally, if you reach shops, so send to shops. So 11. So this is a process based on the infographic. And then let's take a look at activity 2. So circle the correct words to complete the sentences. So number 1, given answer, cotton grows in warm, wet countries, so like China, India, or Brazil. And number 2, a lot of water is needed to, so this is basically to grow rather than to harvest. So because we need to grow cotton before we can harvest. So this is to grow. And next, number 3, to change the color of material is used. So what? So basically it's dye. Because water is just transparent color. Actually it's not color also. So this is transparent for water. And then dye. Number 4, jeans are stone washed to make them, so to make them soft rather than clean. So clean, maybe you will need detergent. Soft. And number 5, jeans are packed and transported all over the world. So instead of just USA, so USA stands for United States of America. United States of America. Number 6, a lot of what are used to make one pair of jeans. So a lot of resources. So you may need a lot of water and energies. So resources. Next we go to working with words. So activity 3. Write the noun form of the verbs by adding shen, so I or ion or shen. So we have hyphen here, meaning we will need these verbs and then we change its form to noun. So create, you need to drop E here and then add ion. So the T is easier, so ion, and then E you drop one and then ion. So except this one, maybe you will need to change its consonant. So especially DE, so DE will change its form to SION. So number 2, decide. So its noun is decision. And then direction, direction. Number 4, educate, and then its noun is education. Number 5, invent, invention. And then we have explode, so this is explosion, SION. Next we go to activity 4. So activity 4, complete the text with the words from activity 3. Scott Robson made the decision to study science when he was 18. He had a good at university. So this is something about study, so it's education. So I rewrite again, education. He had a good education at university and now he works in a special factory. His latest has helped NASA's space program. So this is National Aeronautics and Space Administration. So this is one of the government agency of USA. So NASA. So his latest, so this is basically his invention. His latest invention has helped NASA's space program. It's a special material which protects spaceships against heat. The material is very important when a spaceship is traveling in the, so this is maybe direction of the sun. So maybe he's exploring planet Mercury or Venus maybe. So it's traveling in the direction of the sun. So without it, there could be an explosion. So you will need to find AEIOU at the beginning of the word. So education we already use up. Then invention we also use up already. So it's explosion here. So explosion. I love my job. said Scott. It's great to be part of scientific discoveries and of new ideas. So, and the creation. So that's it for today. So we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 63. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here. And then you can consume the related contents here. And right below this video, there's a link. You can click it. You can join my diagram board for free.